Beijing, Ulaanbaatar, Seoul, Pyongyang, Tokyo, Taipei, Bandar Seri Begawan, Bangkok, Hanoi, Jakarta, Kuala Lumpur, Manila,
Naypyidaw,
Phnom Penh, Singapore, Vientiane, Kabul, Islamabad, New Delhi, Colombo, Kathmandu, Dhaka, Thimphu, Moscow, Astana, Bishkek, Dushanbe, Tashkent, Ashgabat, Yerevan, Baku, Tbilisi, Yerevan, Ashgabat, Astana, Baku, Bandar Seri Begawan, Bangkok, Beijing, Bishkek, Colombo, Manila, Moscow,
Naypyidaw,
New Delhi, Phnom Penh, Pyongyang, Seoul, Singapore, Dhaka, Dushanbe, Hanoi, Islamabad, Jakarta, Kabul, Kathmandu, Kuala Lumpur, Taipei, Tashkent, Tbilisi, Thimphu, Tokyo, Ulaanbaatar, Vientiane, Yerevan,